Hello, tonight I will be doing an unboxing and a review and a try-on of the Everlane Day Heel. I ran across this shoe here on YouTube and I see so many reviews of how comfortable this shoe is. I'm a hairstylist. I work on my feet all day. I have issues with plantar fasciitis. I have no arch at all in my feet, and I really can't wear the same shoe 2 or 3 days in a row sometimes. Flat shoes make my feet very tender on the bottom. A high heel is almost impossible for me to wear. However, a mid heel or a kitten heel or a short heel is more comfortable for me. However, just the shoe overall, the whole shoe needs to be comfortable. So I went online at Everlane.com and I looked over their shoes. And the one that I hear the most reviews about that really appeals to me is the Day Heel. It's supposedly made out of the softest leather that fits your feet like a glove. And that's what I need. So they had a special last week where you got the free 2-day shipping. It was a Friday night when I ordered these, so I knew the weekend would play into that. So I ordered them on the 15th, today's the 21st, and they came. And they have this tracking to where it sends you, you can set it up to send you text messages to let you know where your package is at all time. So I got home today. Well, I got the message last night that it'd be here today, and I got home today, and the box is at my door with their brand on the front, Everlane. And it had the Happy Holidays tape on it. And it's just a cardboard box. And I hear the shoes on the inside. So what I'm going to do now is just cut to the chase and unbox these because I'm really excited. I really hope I can wear these. And they do have an easy return policy just in case. And these shoes are made in Italy. Again, from what they say is the softest leather. So I'm going to find out. So just want to get in this box and, and see what's happening here. So, excuse my voice, I had the flu like a month ago and I'm just still not 100 yet. So inside the box is the actual shoe box, and it looks like a card, it looks like a card or a receipt. So let's see what that is before I even get into this box. I'm really excited, guys. So it's an envelope, really nice, constructed with their name on it. And then there's a slip with my receipt on the inside. These shoes were $160. It's not uncommon for me to spend more money than normal for shoes because of my feet. I just truly believe in getting good shoes for my feet. So yes, I got a size 9 and the color is iron. And I'll explain that in just a minute why I chose that color. It comes in so many different colors. There's bone, a taupe looking color, there's red, black, there's black suede, there's all different kinds, and then there's the metallics, and I got one of the metallics known as iron, but then again, like I said, I'm going to get into that in a minute. So they have the return instructions if you want to swap. They have all this on this receipt. So I'll put that aside, and I'm going to take the shoe box out of the cardboard box. Ooh, nice texture on the card, but this is not a chintzy box, guys. So Everlane, Italy, and on the end it has a barcode and pretty much letting them know what's in the box. There's some other barcode on the bottom, probably some inventory tracking. I'm gonna open the box where you guys can see because I'm so excited. I just better open this where you guys can see. Paper, nice paper. See, plastic. Okay, so the shoe is wrapped in plastic. There you go. I'm just going to take one out at a time so you guys can see this. Ooh, that heel's not bad. It looks like I can wear it. It's like a 1 inch or 1.5 inch heel. Ooh, this shoe feels so soft with this plastic. Oh my God, guys. Look at that. There's the Day Heel. I've been waiting for this shoe. It has an elastic back. And I hope that's not an issue. The leather is very soft. The bottom is very soft. It might be a leather bottom too. A leather sole is what I'm trying to say. Could be a leather sole. I don't have my glasses on, so I really can't read and see what it says. But the footbed is cushioned. You can feel it. It's almost like a memory foam. This is a nice shoe. And the factory that they make these in Italy, there's only like 34 employees, and they take their time making these. I don't know if you guys can see the stitching. I don't know. It's just really, really nice. And I know some may think this is an old lady shoe, but all I can say is what my mom used to say to me when I was younger is keep on living. And that's enough said right there. But look at that little heel. So I'm going to take out the other shoe. I'm not even going to try it on you. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it until I take the other shoe out. Again, it's in plastic also. The left shoe. Soft footbed. So what I'm going to do now is just pause for a second and continue this video once I put the shoe on. I'm going to let you guys know. But this shoe is so well constructed. Very soft on the bottom. Non-skid sole. I don't know if you can see that or not. The grooves in it for the skidding. This is a very well constructed shoe. And I have the stacked heel. So the stacked heel is like more like a wooden stacked heel instead of the same color as the shoe, because the red shoe that I want has the red leather and the red leather heel. And I do want to get, if I like these shoes, I want to get the red pair. I want to get the black pair, black leather. I do want a suede pair. I saw a navy blue suede, but I think that's like a color that they don't carry a whole lot. But when they carry that one again, I do want to get the navy suede. Again, these were $160 for the metallics, and the solid non-metallic material was $150. So I'm going to pause a second, put these on, and let you guys see how they look on my feet. So here I am with the day heel on. Again, the color is iron. And I love iron because if you noticed earlier, my accessories are silver. I mainly wear silver accessories 24/7. I'm not the girl that wears a lot of gold. But these shoes are comfortable. I can tell that I need to walk in them a little bit to break them in. These are a true size 9. And I read in a lot of the reviews that you should order your true size, and I wear a 9. And I'm glad I did, because I think a 9.5 would slip off the back of my foot or my feet every time I walk because of the elastic that's in the back. But that elastic that's back there, that's so comfy. It's so comfortable. And when I walk, it doesn't slip off my foot as you would think it would. It doesn't. In the front, right here, along here, it's not uncomfortable. This leather is, like it says, like a glove. And this, again, is the Everlane Day Heel. And I got it because I just really can't wear heels. And I can't wear flats either. So this is just right in between. These are comfortable. I'm going to turn all the way around so you can see the back of them. Make sure I'm still in the view of my phone. This is the bottom. It's like a block heel. And just so you guys know, I want to make sure I get down here and tell you all, just so you all, you still can't see me. But anyway, just so you know, I have not been paid by anyone to do this review. I paid for these shoes with my own funds. I'm doing an honest review because if they were uncomfortable or anything to that effect, I would definitely let you know. It feels like I can walk around all day in these because a high heel, all my weight would be geared toward the front of my foot and front of my feet, and oh, they would kill me at the end of the night, and I just wouldn't be able to make it 30 minutes in high heels. A flat would just really make my feet really tender on the bottom, but these feel really comfortable. It feels like I can do things. I can bend down and bend my foot. These are very comfortable shoes. I really like them. Again, the Everlane Day Heel. Very glove soft leather, ladies. Very glove soft. Again, I paid, this color is iron. It's from the metallic collection, $160. For a non-metallic leather is $150. Very pretty. I'm very satisfied. So I give these shoes 5 stars because they are comfortable. And for the craftsmanship and the leather and just everything, they're well worth the money. Again, it's not uncommon for me to spend money on my shoes. Not uncommon, especially if they're comfortable. So yes, these are keepers. I am trying to collect all of them, and they also have a day boot. I would like to have that too. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next boot review. Thank you very much.